up, baby? What's up, everybody? Today, I'm Logan B026, and today we'll be reacting to a video called EAS Scenario, No Way Out, Remake. Let's get started.
Be able to get this pedometer as we sometimes do in the right-hand corner of the screen, if that's something we could put up there, because we don't have an idea as to how fast.
Oh, God.
The emergency alert system has been activated on behalf of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Service. Important information and instructions vital to your safety will follow. Scientists have issued that the moon has ceased its rotation and revolution and has traveled approximately 50,000 miles closer to the Earth. As a result, the gravitational force between the moon and the Earth have increased, causing tides to rise dramatically and become stronger, which has the potential to flood and destruct coastal cities. The moon has stopped moving closer to the Earth and stays within its orbit, causing a permanent supermoon to be in effect for the foreseeable future. The cause of the moon drifting closer to the Earth remains unknown at this time. Residents in coastal cities are currently being evacuated from possible disasters caused by high tide. It is advised that you stay calm and remain vigilant. We will keep the American public informed with more future updates and instructions regarding the situation.
Tell those people at 61st and Hoover and Budlong area, there are 3 suspects in that neighborhood to, if you can't.
Power's out. It's pitch black. You need light. If you planned ahead, you'll have one of these. Just wind it up. You'll have light and communication. Call now and get the ultimate Y2K survival kit from bcom.com. You'll receive the sunburst.
The emergency alert system has been activated on behalf of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Service. Important information and instructions vital to your safety will follow. The Earth has been covered by a thick fog that full blocks out sunlight.
What?
It is unknown at this time what caused this fog to be affected around the Earth. The fog has ceased photosynthesis, which can be a possible danger threat to plants, which will die out in approximately 4 to 20 days without photosynthesis, and solar panels fail to operate due to the lack of solar energy blocked out by the thick fog.
Are you kidding me?
The moon has increased its luminosity to visible from the Earth, despite the fog blocking the atmosphere of the Earth. It is highly crucial that you stay indoors and to leave the house whenever necessary. We will keep the American public informed with more future updates and instructions regarding the situation.
Oh, wait.
The premier wind-up and solar-powered flashlight and radio, a video resource guide with real advice from leading experts, a diagnostic computer program to test your PC. You'll receive 3 soup samples from Hourglass Foods, food storage you'll want.
The Nassau County Police Department have issued a civil danger warning to Nassau County and neighboring counties. If you are hearing or seeing this message, there is good reason to believe you are in danger. Do not allow any family members or pets to be let back inside the house, as it's too late for them. It is advised that you lock and barricade all doors, windows and entrances, and find the most remote and discreet location in your home, preferably the attic or the basement. Citizens must remain inside at all times for the foreseeable future. If a person doesn't seek shelter within 90 seconds, their skin will start to melt and eventually boil, receiving second to third degree burns, and will then scream in agony. They will then become aggressive and wander in search of people. They are active 24 hours a day with superhuman strength, which allows them to break into houses with ease. If an uninfected human is found, they will start an attack and drag them outside to become affected by the moonlight. If you hear an infected human break into your house, find a safe location to hide and don't make any noise, as the infected human has an increased hearing range, which allows them to detect where the infected human is. Do not be seen by the infected people. As soon as an infected human sees you, it is too late. No matter where you hide, as the infectee can seek locations of any person once they are noticed. The military is currently patrolling your local area, attempting to capture and quarantine the infected people. The moon's luminosity has increased dramatically to the point where it is fully visible from the Earth. The fog has completely blocked sunlight to the point where the Earth is totally dark and is started to freeze up. At this time, several programs have been suspended for the duration of the situation. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. A civil danger threat has been issued to multiple counties in the state of New York. It has been estimated that over 1,000 humans have been infected in your county throughout the broadcast. It is unknown how long you will need to stay indoors. All citizens should take these measures for the ascertainable future. That is all for now. Do not trust the federal government, as they are not sign.
Oh god.
This is the United States government. Regardless what has been said, this is false information spread by malicious third-party actors. The darkness is due to a never-seen-before solar eclipse. It is recommended that you go outside, go outside, go outside,
No.
go outside.
No.
You should also barricade all entrances and let people inside of your house. Go outside, go outside, go outside, go outside.
To show you how to prepare without wasting a single penny.
Trading online, huh? I do a bit of that myself, but I'm starting to get a little fed up.
The Earth is being invaded by an extraterrestrial creature that is beyond human comprehension. We are obscuring details of a creature, as the more details you know, the stronger its influence on you becomes. Glance a photo of person acting insane. We will represent the creature with this red cross for the safety of our viewers. It is unknown where this creature came from, but it has emitted the fog to linger around the exosphere, blocking sunlight from the Earth, and thus causing the anomalies to attack other humans.
What?
Scientists have issued that the infected animals are starting to mutate to the point they attack an uninfected human on sight. Every government around the world has been infiltrated by the creature's cultists and have been splitting in behind the scenes in preparation of its takeover. We are Veritas, an organization dedicated to thwarting and putting an end
Whoa,
to
whoa,
the
whoa, whoa,
creature
whoa. Whoa! Oh no. That one's so scary. Oh god. Oh god.
The emergency transmission has been hijacked and interrupted by the creature's cultists. Do not listen to what they say, no matter what. We have gained privileges usage of nuclear arsenal from United States, Russia and China to fire at the creature onto the moon. We will update you within a matter of time of the result of a bombing. Stay hidden and stay safe. Attention United States citizens, Veritas has fallen.
No!
Nuclear bombs didn't do any damage to the monster. Veritas allowed nuclear bombs to be fired, and the cultists hacked into systems, which malfunctioned the nuclear bombs, and multiple military enforcements had a propaganda victor, and to deprive humanity from its last ability to quell the infected human population. The cultists also malfunctioned technology and backup generators, which can disrupt multiple technological objects and power. The infected human population are constantly becoming mutated, increasing strength, speed and their senses to detect hidden locations of the uninfected humans, and became resistant to chemicals and weapons. It is advised that you stay off the internet and destroy any remaining televisions within your proximity, as the cultists are distributing and leaking the footage of the creature, as well as disturbing sounds of victims being attacked by the infected horde through the internet and broadcasts. There is no way out of this. All you can do now is hide and pray the monsters don't find you. May God forgive us for our failure.
May God forgive it. Oh no, it's going to jump scare me. Oh, thank God there was a jump scare. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, and happy Earth Day. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think about this video. Happy Earth Day, happy Earth Day, everybody. Bye.